How to design a logo mockup in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop.
Open a new file of 500 by 500 pixels in Illustrator. Pick the pen tool, make sure the fill is black. Hold Alt and click on Anchor Point to straighten it. Click the Direct Selection tool, adjust shape to your taste. Hold Alt and drag shape to duplicate it. Right-click, transform, reflect. Click on the Direct Selection tool. I think you know how to adjust a shape by now. Adjust till you are satisfied. Click on the pen tool, draw a triangle. Click on the Direct Selection tool, round the edges of the triangle. Now it is time to give our logo a color. Looking good. Go to File, Export as PNG. Save it to a folder. Open Image in Photoshop. Drag your logo to File. Adjust the size. Right-click on Layer. Convert to Smart Object. Control-T for Transform. Right-click, Distort. Go to Layer Style, Color Overlay. Make the color black. Go to Filter, Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 5. Duplicate layer. Change the blur radius to 4. Duplicate layer. Change radius to 3. Duplicate layer, group the other layers together. Remove filter mode from the top layer. Open blending options. Drop shadow, copy these adjustment numbers. Duplicate layer 4 times. Group the other 3, remove the shadow from the top one. Duplicate layer and shift it once to the right. Continue the process. Group the layers except the top one. Remove the color overlay. Go to Blending Options and add Bevel and Emboss. Follow these adjustments. Add Stan and follow the adjustments. That's it for this tutorial. Give this video a like if you learned something, drop comments for any suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe.